Carbs and type 2 diabetes. Fact or fiction?
Many believe that carbohydrates are always bad for people with type 2 diabetes. In reality, not all carbs are created equal, and the story is more nuanced. Let's examine the real relationship between carbs and blood sugar, separating common myths from science-backed facts.
Understanding carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates are a major energy source found in foods like bread, rice, fruits, and vegetables. They break down into glucose, which fuels our cells. The type and amount of carbs you eat and how they're combined with fiber, protein, and fat all influence their effects on blood sugar.
Myth: all carbs raise blood sugar equally.
The idea that all carbs spike blood sugar the same way is incorrect. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables contain fiber and nutrients that help slow down glucose absorption. Refined carbohydrates, like white bread and sugary snacks, do raise blood sugar quickly and should be limited.
Low-carb diets, are they necessary?
Many people think you must avoid carbs entirely to manage type 2 diabetes. However, most diabetes experts recommend balanced diets focusing on carbohydrate quality and portion control, rather than extreme restriction. Individual needs vary, and a registered dietitian can help personalize a plan.
The takeaway: carbs in a healthy diet.
Managing type 2 diabetes isn't about cutting out all carbohydrates. It's about choosing whole, minimally processed carbs, monitoring portions, and balancing meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. With smart choices, people with or at risk for diabetes can enjoy carbs as part of a healthy lifestyle.